Meet the Indian runner duck, one of the most unique and active duck breed in the world. Unlike most duck, this bird don't waddle, they stand tall and run fast. Let's learn more about this fascinating breed. Indian runner duck have a penguin-like posture, standing almost upright with long neck and slender bodies. They come in a variety of color, including white, fawn, black, chocolate, and blue. Unlike other duck, they rarely swim and prefer spending their time foraging on land. These duck are excellent egg layers, producing 2 to 300 eggs per year, making them favorite among farmers. The Indian runner duck originate from Indonesia, especially from the islands of Bali, Java, and Lombok. For over 2,000 years, they have been used by farmers to control pests in rice fields. They were introduced to Europe in 1800s, quickly becoming popular due to their high egg production and unique appearance. Indian runner, when once called penguin ducks, become of their tail upright stand. With their unique posture, incredibly egg-laying abilities, and energetic personalities, Indian runner ducks are truly special.